Hello students, Mr. Jen here. Welcome to the end of chapter 22. It's just about time for the test. It should be, if you're right here, about May 10th. It's our study day. Also current event day. Make sure you knock that out, even though I haven't put it in here yet. And we have all our resources here at our disposal as usual. We've got our summary that pops out, nice outline here for you to go over. I'd at least reread that before you do that test. You've got the summary. We have the study guide. If you can answer all these questions, you're probably in a really good position to do well on the test. We've got our forum page here where this video will be found. And then we can take a look at the test itself. 22 questions, I believe 50 points. We start off with a matching vocab and a whole lot of multiple choice, generally in the order in which the information appears in the chapter. No essay question on this one. And that's about it. That test will be due May 11th. Should be right here. We have one more chapter left, 23, and then we're going to do a little research paper. But we're going to talk about that later. And I have it all parsed out for you. You're going to have a whole week to do it. It'll be all right. I'll guide you through the whole process. And then the very last week, all the way over in June, right here, real easy stuff. Things like, what are you going to do this summer? How did you feel about the class and the coursework, and a couple makeup days, things like that. So we're getting close to the end. For now, let's focus on passing our Chapter 22 test, and then moving on to 23. But keep in mind, there's a paper coming. That's it for now. Good luck. If you have any questions on the test, please let me know. Otherwise, have a great day.